Hello, virtual people. We are going to be working our way through this Happy Meal packet, and the goal of this packet is to try to answer the question, if there are 6 Happy Meal toys and I want to collect all 6 toys, how many Happy Meals am I going to have to buy for that to happen? And this is something that was really big back in the 1990s when McDonald's had a really cool toy. It was very cool to like go out and collect all of the toys. I know that's not really the case anymore, but what we're going to first do is we're going to run a simulation of this scenario. So in this, what we have these 6 toys, the 6 Pokemon Happy Meal toys, and we want to try to figure out if there's an equal chance of getting any toy, how many Happy Meals would I have to buy in order to collect all 6? And for this first part, what you're going to need a die, a 6-sided die, or if you don't have any dice at home, then you can go ahead and Google like a dice simulator online. They are all over the place. Any of them will do. So what you're going to do, and I'll kind of do the first one, and you can feel free to listen to the first part and then skip ahead as necessary, but each number on the die is going to represent one of the 6 toys. So I'm going to roll. I roll my dice. I got a 2. And I'm going to put a little hash mark here. So I'm going to keep rolling. That time I got a 4. I got another 2. So that would be like my 3rd time going into McDonald's. I get the same toy that I got the first time. Oh, another 2. So I'm going to keep rolling until I see at least one of each toy, because my goal is to have at least one of each. And so far I'm not doing so well. I still need a 5 and a 6. Nope. There we go. Now all I need is a 6. Ooh, first try. Okay. So now I have at least one of each, and I'm going to count up how many times did I actually have to roll. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had to roll 10 times before I saw each number at least once. So what I want you to do is do the same thing that I just did. If you have dice at home and you just want to roll one of them, that's fine. If you want to Google a dice simulator, that is totally fine as well. Okay, so you're going to do this 4 times. I just did it once. And you can go ahead and pause this video while you gather those numbers and continue once you have all of your data. We need data from the entire class to answer question 2, so we are going to skip ahead to problem 3.